Good morning, everybody. So this week we're doing the silent E sound with the E. Okay, so this in a normal alphabet is E, but when there's a silent E, remember it changes the sound, and so the sound it changes it to is E. Okay, E. Um, so I've given you some words. There's not many of these words. And the ones that are there are also very big words. So I've given you these few words for you to write down, and then just to find what they mean, or I'll explain what they mean, and then to write your own 3 sentences from them. Okay, so this is these. Okay, when you're talking about like things like that's here in front of us, I can say these pages. Let's say I have many pages here, and I can say these pages. Okay, it's about having many things, and then you can say these things. Theme is like, you know, when you have a birthday party excuse me, birthday party, and they say the theme is Spider-Man or Barbies. That means you must dress up like Spider-Man or come as a Barbie girl. Okay, so that is a theme. Or the theme can be black and white, and then you must dress up in black and white. Okay, Eve. Eve is like the night before something. So when they say New Year's Eve, it's the night before New Year's Day. Okay, New Year's Eve. Or Christmas Eve is the night before Christmas Day. Okay, there, we use this word all the time. There are, in a sentence you could say, there are so many countries. There are things I like to do. Yes, I think you know that word. Scene. A scene is when, you know, when you watch a movie and there's this part that you like in the movie, you will say for that part, excuse me, you will call it a scene. Okay, so maybe you like the part where I don't know, what movie. You choose your favorite movie and choose your favorite part. So when you're talking about that favorite part, you can say, I like that scene when they, and then you say, what do they do? Okay? Delete. This we've seen on the computers in computer class. When you press delete or backspace, it takes it away. Okay, so you delete something, you're taking it away. Alright, it usually has to do with on computers and phones. You can like delete a message. I'm sure you've heard that. Complete. Okay, complete your work, which means finish your work. Complete means finish. And then here, so I put this star here because it's like a tricky word. Okay, it's not, it doesn't have that E sound, which is like the silent E. It says, you just say it here, but it is a silent E word. Okay, yeah, and then please write 3 of your own sentences as well. So today also we're going to be talking about past tense, and this week we're going to be talking about past, present, and future tense. Okay, so when we're looking at a sentence, okay, we can talk about a sentence and we can say the sentence is in the past tense, or the present tense, or the future tense. Okay, past tense means the sentence is talking about what already happened. Okay, present tense means it's like what is happening right now. Okay, what is happening now. Future is what will happen. What will happen. Okay, so future is easy because you understand the word future. It means something that's coming. Present, you can just remember it like when someone gives you a present, it's in that moment, it's right now, it's happening right now when someone gives you a present, okay? Past is yes, when something has already happened. So I've given you some sentences for the past, present, and future. So past is, here's the sentence: I kicked the ball. Okay, and let's say if we wanted to change it to present, like it's happening now, you would say I am kicking the ball. So as you're kicking it, you say I am kicking the ball. Future would be I will kick the ball. Okay, I will kick the ball. So when you are um, when we are doing these tenses, past, present, and future, it usually involves talking about the verb. Okay, so look at these verbs. For the past, you'll find that the verb here is kick, but for past, you'll usually find that the word changes to some words have the eh and the d at the end. So you don't say I kick the ball, you say I kicked the ball, and usually that you'll find that means it's showing you that it's the past tense. Okay, not always, but most of the time. Okay, I am, and then it will have the verb and the ing. I am, the verb and ing. Anything like that will show you that it is present, it's happening now. For example, I am sitting. Let's say I change that to sit. Okay, I am sitting. There's the ing and the I am. That means it's happening right now. Okay, and then will. I will. This word will is like same as saying I'm going to. So I could also say I'm going to kick the ball. It's the same as saying I will kick the ball. Okay. So today we're gonna just be dealing with past tense. Okay, and remember, it already happened. It already happened. The verb changes. Sometimes it gets ed at the end, like I showed you, kicked. And sometimes the word changes. Sometimes the whole word changes. So I'm gonna show you some of these words and give you an example. Okay. So if I say sit, in the past, you don't say I sitted, you say I sat. Okay, go, you don't say I goed, you say I went. Okay, see, so here these are the words that change. Okay, they don't get da, they just change completely. If I say I am, I'll rather say I was. Eat, you can't say I was. Oh, actually, sorry. This is an exception. I was eating. Okay, but the other word that you can use for I was eating, you can say I ate. I ate. Sleep, slept. I slept on the couch. Okay. Come. She comes home. She came home. Came. Swim. Swam. Fall. Fell. Throw. Through. See and saw. Okay, so I'm going to give you some examples. Please write this down in your books. You need to copy these words. Okay, and then these are examples. So remember I said sit changes to sat. So I sit on the floor, that will change to I sat on the floor. That's past tense. Okay, that's present. I am smiling. Present, now past. I was smiling. I am falling down. I fell down. Okay, so what I want you to do is you're gonna also take three words from here and make your own past tense sentence. Okay, so remember this blue is for the past tense. It's those words that you use for past. Okay, and that is all for English video. Thanks, guys.